ngalak nitinin kalyakul. We've been here forever. Kalyakul. Ngalak nitin mamang kot bidi badlangin. Travelling this part of the whale dreaming path, feeling a big heart beat. Duk, duk, duk. We still here. Benang, bulla, bulla, benang. You know, from about colonisation time, the whale population lost so many adults and got so small that they didn't know quite where they were or what to do. Didn't really know how to find good company or keep the old ways going. They were all a little bit lost. Maybe we too. We call on our old people, on our family, and they will come from among the trees. They will come by sea dancing. Will we hear such footsteps? Let their rhythm catch us up. Will they show us the way? This story of a Noongar and whale comes from Williman country, just along the south coast, a little east of here, a little toward where the sun is always rising, and a young Noongar standing on a rock at just one headland beside the deep blue sea sees an upswelling, a circle on the ocean surface beginning to bubble up, to become cuspy, to become a great whale rises to the surface, sheets of water flowing from its back. The young man wrapped in whale breath, poised, hesitating, needs only take one step, two. Jen, jen, jen. Mama koda bere yako nongarang. That whale close now, right close to land, and not singing, but more like humming. Easy, slow, close to shore, and its misty breath wraps the boy, who steps once, steps twice out onto its back. Then like a dancer, he skipped and bent and went head first into the whale. No accident, no Jonah. Our man put himself inside the whale, and it is like a cave in there. The heart a campfire, throbbing. Look, look, look. Together, he and the whale travelling make this whale road, this whale heart energy sinew path, this beard. He now the man in his people's song, and having begun must now go on, must strike the whale heart, dance and sing and hear Leviathan roar in his very own chest. And so they dove, dive down, deeper, dark, but full bubbles slipping away, up, away, up, Binjal, one, few at a time, Binjal, 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 and Duk, Duk, Duki. Greedy for light and air, our man and the whale, they rise together, and with the whale's eye see seas, see ocean, see birds in the sky hovering, clouds, but no sign of land. And so again must the whale's heart stoke, must dance, must his own diaphragm make the whale song. He must make it happen. We must make it happen. Sing our own selves to this very almost end. Binjal. One, few at a time. Binjal, Binjal, Binjal. Until again, light and air, and the whale eyes see seas, ocean, white-capped waves, birds in the sky, hovering, but still no sign of land. And so again is at the whale's heart, shuffles and sings to make sure of the story, to his own self sing right beyond this nearly end. Mama go to bed, Mama, mumbling his song by now, is all he can do. Feet shuffling, not dancing, slapping, not stabbing, falling, the belly dragging, our own very great weight, and the ocean sliding away, and this inward turning and out. Our man steps from the whale. Our man, he jumps from the whale. Our man, no boy no more, he wriggles his toes in white sand and it squeaks welcome. Two women open-mouthed see this man leap from the whale. They laugh, clutch one another. Who you? Willem and Nunga me. I'm in the whale song. I'm from the sunrise and the sea. I'm the song. People came from everywhere, from among the trees, from the horizon, from the shadows and river pools and mountains. They came to hear and tell the story of the boy, our ancestor, that brave young man that sang, that brang, his family's words that brings us all together. And so, and Budawan, and by, our man, the ancestor, He went back to his own old people. The two women he met with the whale, they walked away with him. And their children, some of them, they went too. They went to home and family that's ours too, like here. And we or our children will return again and again with love and malamamangkoda bidi badlangin. Don't kadidyan nitya duk duk dukni. We travel this little part of a whale dreaming path. Hear it? This heartbeat of the ocean, the very breath. Najibi mama koro bama najibi mama mon mama koro bede yoko mama koro bede yoko mama koro bede yoko mama koro bede bolbolin najibi mama koro bama najibi mama mon mama koro bede